What does Shah Rukh Khan do when the cameras are off? When their arc lights are not around him? When Shah Rukh Khan is to the manor born, of course, but in his mansion, what would you catch him doing on a day where none of the trappings of stardom surround him?
Actually, Karan, you would know it. Even Deepika would know it. They're my very close friends and I love them. They must have seen. I don't do anything. मैं तो बोल भी चुका हूँ. मेरे बाप ने सिखाया था, जो कुछ नहीं करते वो कमाल करते हैं. तो मैं कुछ नहीं करता यार. मैं कुछ भी नहीं करता एक्चुअली. मैं घर के काम कर लेता हूँ. अगर घर की सफाई हो रही है, बीवी ने कह दिया कि वो कमरा खराब, मैं साफ कर देता हूँ. एंड ये जेन्युइन बात है. मेरा बेटा बोल दे मेरी कॉपीज का कवर नहीं लगा हुआ. आजकल तो कॉपीज भी नहीं होती. या आईपैड को थोड़ा सा आप अपडेट कर देना, वो कर देता हूँ. मैं बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें करता हूँ. बहुत हल्की हल्की हरकतें करता हूँ या कुछ भी नहीं करता हूँ. आई रियली डोंट इंडल्ज इन ओवरवर्किंग, ओवरथिंकिंग, ओवरडूइंग. आई एम इन अ मेडिटेटिव स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. तो मैं ऐसे ही यार घर में बैठा हुआ हूँ. व्हेन आई एम नॉट ऑन अ सेट आई डोंट डू एनीथिंग. Honestly, matlab obviously I'll make my friends happy, I'll play with my kids, that's a given. I would love to do that, but beyond that I don't think I do anything. यार एक हाँ मेरे को कल परसों ना ऐसा एक इंग्लिश वर्ड है ना, me time. ऐसा ना लोग बोलते हैं कि
yes, me time.
I really need some me time, you know, me time.
क्या मतलब है me time का?
Me time का मतलब क्या हो रहा है? So,
but what you said in jest about घर के काम करना, and I do know you're that, but there's somebody sitting next to you that genuinely, when the cameras are off and she's at home, she's definitely cleaning her house. I'm definitely quite sure that Deepika is actually cleaning her house.
एक दो बार तो मैंने भी कॉल किया कि मेरा भी घर आके साफ कर दे.
I offered him my services when he was cleaning his
because anybody who knows Deepika closely, and I'm very happy I do, that she is a huge planner. She will literally want to plan her life to perfection. So I really want you to describe to people what you're doing when you have me time.
My me time is, so there's a study room where all these packages come, where all the mails come, where all the mail comes, where all the boxes, and like there's just so much stuff to look at. So the first thing I do on a day off is sort of just like sort out, segregate, put things in its place. I'm cleaning the kitchen, I'm checking fruits, vegetables, bhaji, stock for the week, for the month. Now Dua's things, so like is everything for her, has everything been ordered, do we have stock for everything, laundry, cleaning,
see, I told you.
Systems, processes, running a house like anyone else here, anyone here would be doing.
I've met actors right through my journey of 3 decades, Deepika. I've never met somebody who actually is doing all these things in their home. You really are. Like literally you're doing the planning, you're working, you're doing all those domestic duties to perfection. I've seen it happen in front of my eyes, and it's strange. It shouldn't seem new. It shouldn't seem like this is like something that is odd or bizarre or strange, but I've never seen anybody else do it.
I don't know any other way. I mean, maybe also I started off like this. I started off, I didn't have such a big home. I didn't have help. I mean, I've literally started from scratch. So, my finances, like, everything. Everything has to be looked at and done.
Good, well done, well done. Deepika, if I had to ask you what you would tell your younger self today, it's a question I know we've heard, we've been asked, but I know what I would tell my younger self. What would you tell your younger self today, having achieved everything? Is there a piece of advice you would give to yourself when you began?
I'm actually going to tell myself that I've done pretty well, you know.
Good. Yes, you have. More than pretty well.
Because you don't really sit back and sometimes look at the journey, and I've always been very critical. I've always been someone who looks at something and I'm like, I don't celebrate the moments too much. I'm someone who looks at something very, in a sort of straightforward manner. Okay, this worked. Okay, this didn't work. What can I do better? Okay, I did well. Move on. You know, I've always moved on from good things in my life. I've paused, looked at it, moved on. if something not so great has happened, okay, what could I have done better? And learn from that and move on. But I think today when I look back at the journey, a small thing like, I didn't realize when I made the decision at that time, but as an 18-year-old to move cities from, and to come to a city like Mumbai and leave your parents behind is actually a big decision which I didn't realize at the time. I realized today at this age that that was actually a big decision to make. So I think it's those little things, and then having to navigate, life with trial and error, making mistakes, meeting people along the way. So I think overall, when I look back, I'd say not bad. Well done.
You go, girl. Well done. What would Shah Rukh Khan tell the younger Shah Rukh Khan who came to Mumbai to work and to be an artist?
एक सेकंड, तेरी आंखों की नमकीन अब तो प्यार सा हो गया. But I actually when I was I think मेरी एक थ्योरी है, when you're young हमें लगता है हमें सब पता है लेकिन बहुत चीजें पता नहीं होती. So unconflicted होते हैं हम. As we grow older, fears, anxiety, परेशानियां, thoughtfulness, this actually takes over. So when you're young, you experience the adventure called life without any obstacles, inhibitions, because इतना समझ नहीं होती है. There is strangely clarity of thought because हमारे को इतनी thoughts ही नहीं होती. So when I was young, I think I was a little brash. I think I was a little overconfident. I think I was a bit reckless. And I would like to tell my younger self, thank you for being like that. Because एक सेकेंड, ये क्वेश्चन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया है.
नहीं, ठीक है, जवाब बहुत खूबसूरत है.
नहीं, ये यंगर सेल्फ मतलब क्या होता है? अभी मैं यंग नहीं हूं. ओके. जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था, अकल का कच्चा था,
बड़ी शरारतें करता
बड़ी
था.
शरारत करता. So I believe when I was young, I was brash, I was overconfident. कुछ मैं अपने पुराने इंटरव्यू सुनता हूं, reckless भी था, बहुत सारा stupid भी था. But I think I'm very happy मैं वैसा था. Otherwise I would have never chosen the path that I am here with such wonderful people and in this august company. And I think I'm happy because yes, I was a little gutsy also. So thank you, young Shah Rukh Khan, for being so cool.